Have you ever thought about investing in the organic recycling sector? Well, let's dive into why this burgeoning industry is worth your attention. Organic recycling, a crucial component of waste management, is becoming increasingly important as the world seeks sustainable solutions to our waste problems. In the face of mounting environmental challenges, this sector is experiencing a surge of interest. Now imagine being part of this transformative solution, not just as a consumer, but as an investor. This sector isn't just about doing good, it's about seeing substantial growth as well. As more and more people and businesses recognize the importance of sustainability, demand for organic recycling services is skyrocketing. Investing in organic recycling is about putting your money where the future is headed, towards a greener, cleaner, and more sustainable world. So, if you're looking for an investment opportunity that aligns with this trend, investing in the organic recycling sector may just be the opportunity you've been waiting for. In the last 5 years, the organic recycling sector has seen significant growth. Let's take a trip down memory lane and see how the figures have unfolded. If we rewind to 5 years ago, the sector was just beginning to gain traction. The revenue growth was modest, with a steady rise in profits. The organic recycling industry was marked by promising numbers, hinting at a potential goldmine for investors. As the years passed, there was a noticeable upward trend in revenue growth. The year 2019 saw a substantial increase in revenue, reflecting a growing interest in organic recycling. This exponential growth was not just a one-year wonder. It continued into 2020 and 2021, with the sector outperforming expectations. But it's not just about revenue. Profit margins also tell a compelling story. From a modest beginning, profit margins have expanded significantly over the last 5 years. This can be attributed to the increasing efficiency in the recycling process, technological advancements, and a growing market demand. The organic recycling industry has been able to convert increased revenue into higher profits, a clear indication of a robust and healthy sector. Let's turn our attention to other key financial metrics. Return on investment, for example, has shown a consistent increase over the last 5 years. This suggests that the sector has been successful in generating profits from the investments made. Similarly, the earnings per share have also seen a steady rise, reflecting a steady growth in the sector's profitability. In the balance sheet, we see an improving picture. The sector has managed to keep its debt levels under control while increasing its assets. This is a positive sign, indicating a sound financial management and a promising future for the sector. In summary, the last 5 years have been a period of impressive growth and progress for the organic recycling sector. The financial and fundamental numbers have shown a consistent upward trend reflecting the sector's strength and potential. The numbers speak for themselves. The organic recycling sector has been on an upward trajectory. But what exactly makes the organic recycling sector a promising investment? Well, there are numerous factors contributing to its growth potential. Let's delve into some of these. One of the key drivers for the organic recycling sector is the increasing regulatory support. Governments around the world are recognizing the importance of sustainable waste management and are implementing policies to promote it. In the European Union, for instance, there are stringent regulations requiring the separate collection of bio-waste. Also, in many parts of the United States, laws are being passed to ban organic waste in landfills. These regulatory measures are creating a favorable environment for the organic recycling industry to thrive. Next, we have technological advancements. The organic recycling sector is not what it used to be. Today, thanks to technology, we have innovative solutions that are making the recycling process more efficient and cost-effective. We're seeing the development of advanced composting techniques, anaerobic digestion technologies, and sophisticated waste sorting systems. These technological breakthroughs are not only improving the profitability of organic recycling operations, but also making them more scalable. Finally, we can't overlook the role of consumer preference. Today's consumers are more environmentally conscious than ever before. They are demanding sustainable solutions and are willing to pay a premium for products that are eco-friendly. This consumer trend is driving demand for organic recycling services and products such as compost, which is made from recycled organic waste. In addition, there's an increasing awareness about the harmful effects of synthetic fertilizers and the benefits of organic compost in agriculture. This is leading to a growing demand for compost, which is further propelling the growth of the organic recycling sector. All these factors, regulatory support, technological advancements, consumer preference, and the growing demand for compost, are acting as strong growth drivers for the organic recycling industry. They are creating abundant opportunities for businesses in this sector and making it an attractive investment proposition. With a variety of growth drivers in place, the future looks bright for the organic recycling sector. Like any investment, organic recycling also comes with its share of risks and challenges. Let's begin with regulatory uncertainties. The organic recycling sector operates within a framework of environmental laws and regulations that can vary greatly from one jurisdiction to another. These rules are often subject to change, and unforeseen modifications can result in increased costs or operational limitations. For instance, stricter regulations on waste management or emissions could impose additional financial burdens on organic recycling companies. Competition is another factor to consider. The waste management industry is not a monopoly. Quite the contrary, it's a highly competitive space with numerous players vying for market share. As organic recycling becomes more mainstream, traditional waste management companies may pivot towards this greener alternative, intensifying the competition. This could potentially lead to price wars, squeezing profit margins, and making it harder for new entrants to gain a foothold. Then there's the operational risk. Organic recycling involves the collection, treatment, and conversion of organic waste into valuable products. Each of these stages is fraught with its own set of challenges. Collection requires an efficient logistics network to transport waste from various sources to the recycling facility. The treatment process, on the other hand, involves sophisticated technology and skilled personnel to ensure the waste is converted effectively. Any disruption in these stages, be it a breakdown of machinery or a shortage of skilled workers, can hamper the overall operation, affecting the company's bottom line. Lastly, it's important to mention that the organic recycling industry is still relatively young. This means that it's subject to growing pains, including technological hiccups and scalability issues. While the sector shows great promise, it is not exempt from the teething troubles that often accompany emerging industries. In conclusion, while the organic recycling sector presents significant growth potential, it is not without risks. Regulatory uncertainties, competition, operational challenges, and the inherent unpredictability of a nascent industry are all factors that potential investors need to consider. Being aware of these risks is crucial for making informed investment decisions. Now, let's take a closer look at a recent IPO in the organic recycling sector. As we delve into this exciting initial public offering, it's essential to understand the financial numbers and fundamentals that underpin this opportunity. The company in question has presented a robust balance sheet over the last 5 years, showing steady growth and a promising future. Their revenue has seen a consistent increase year on year, demonstrating a strong market presence and effective business strategies. The company's profit margins have also been on an upward trajectory, indicating efficient operations and sound financial management. As with any company, our organic recycler has liabilities, but these have been well managed and balanced with assets contributing to a healthy debt-to-equity ratio. Their solid financial foundation, therefore, makes this IPO an attractive prospect for potential investors. But, as we all know, investing is not just about the numbers. It's about understanding the company's growth prospects and potential risks. This company operates in the organic recycling sector, a burgeoning industry with immense potential. With increasing environmental consciousness and stricter waste management regulations, the demand for organic recycling is set to skyrocket. The company has strategically positioned itself to capitalize on this trend. With its innovative technology and scalable business model, it is poised to capture a significant market share. Their commitment to sustainable practices also adds to their appeal, resonating with the growing number of eco-conscious investors. However, potential risks should not be overlooked. The organic recycling industry is still nascent and faces challenges such as regulatory uncertainties and technological hurdles. While the company has demonstrated resilience and adaptability so far, it's crucial for potential investors to keep these risks in mind. Investing in this IPO could be a strategic move for those looking to tap into the organic recycling sector. While the company's solid financials and promising growth prospects make it an attractive investment, it's always wise to consider the potential risks and make informed decisions. As always, diversification is key to managing investment risks. So if organic recycling fits your investment portfolio, this IPO could be a golden opportunity. So, should you invest in the organic recycling sector? Let's recap what we've discussed. Organic recycling has shown significant progress in the last 5 years, boasting a robust balance sheet that would make any investor take notice. There's no denying the sector's growth potential. As global awareness of environmental issues increases, so does the demand for sustainable solutions like organic recycling. However, it's important to understand that all investments come with risks. The organic recycling sector isn't exempted from this. It faces its own unique set of challenges, from regulatory hurdles to fluctuating commodity prices. The recent IPO of an organic recycling company has certainly sparked interest. But remember, investing isn't just about following trends or hype. It's about making informed decisions based on thorough research and understanding. Whether or not to invest in the organic recycling sector is a decision that ultimately depends on your investment goals and risk tolerance. So, take the time to assess your situation before making any investment decisions.